Sumida-Shitamachi Exploring Technique. Yay! Thank you. So this is the one-day passport and scratch off on the date on which you're gonna travel. Wait, it's satisfying. I really love the design of the map and the train card. As you can see, it has Sumida River and all the attractions around like Kaminarimon and Tokyo Skytree, where we are. Kobu Skytree Station. If we go up the stairs there, then we'll get to Skytree. That's really good angle for your face, isn't it? Yeah. Like one long corridor with lots of interesting shops. Chinese dumplings. They always have like such good looking foods in Japan, like the food models. Yeah. There's like onobashi, which are infused with honey, and they're really good.
I've never actually tried this.
No, you should. It's like something totally new like this. Sour and honey flavors. Cute. Ah, it's yours. Yes. This one is cute. All of them are pretty cute. Think of having a backpack that has like a lot of pins on it.
Oh yeah, I always wanted like there's backpacks with like
Transparent pockets. Oh, Ipahad? Maybe?
yeah.
Yes. Oh, so much.
And like put a lot of pins.
Yes. I want it too. I want to make it without that. I really don't know which pattern. Cool. Skytree. It's my lucky day. Hey. Oh, you got to walk around because you're a college student and it'll motivate you. So if I had a cat, I would do this one. Oh yeah, that's adorable. We can get to her first in the office.
Yes, you can see, yeah.
From here.
You have, thank you very much. We have two observation decks. Middle is 350, top is 450. If you want to go down to the middle, one person, 10% off, 1,850 yen. If you want to go down to the top floor, you need to buy the combo tickets, one person, 2,750 yen. Which you want to go? Combo ticket. Go down to the middle. Yes, two floors. Thank you very much.
So welcome to Skytree. This flight 4 strong and wake 3 strong. 4 season elevator. This elevator is summer season. Name is Sumida no Hanabi. Hanabi is fireworks. Inside glass name is Edo Kiriko. Okay? Upstairs 350 meter middle floor 50 seconds. So soon. Have enjoy. 1 second 10 meter up. Okay? Just a moment. Okay? Here we go. We can try. That's all. And this is the Sumidagawa River. I used to go to a Japanese school in Asakusa near Sumidagawa River.
Really?
Yeah. You can see, I think you can even see a plastic card you can see. This is like it's like in 7 pages set. This is
Check the time travel.
Apparently this is a really popular date spot.
It is because it's so beautiful.
Oh, you can see Fuji. It's even more visible right now. The floor is slightly bent, and we kind of are. The more we walk, the more upwards we are going. It's pretty cool. Places or it's kind of like roller coasters.
I love high places.
Oh really?
Yeah.
I love roller coasters.
I really want to go to Fuji-Q-Fan.
Oh my gosh, I went there and I went on Takabisha, which is the steepest one. Yes. Yeah, I love how they decorated it for Christmas. It looks like from a movie. Yeah. This Taipei cafe has like lots of cute things. I like this one. It's cute. Which one would you want to get?
I think I'll go with Sorakaya Parfait.
Oh, I wanted the same. I'm gonna take the Surachan parfait too. It's supposed to look like the sky. So the marshmallows are the clouds and the jelly is the sky. And below that are it's like peach is sky, peace is like peach. So what is the night? Things on her molecular waffle, so I'm gonna try her too. Only in December it's going to be have like Christmas illumination.
Oh, it's starting.
Yes, it's starting. There's like a specific time, and they only do it for 30 minutes a day during December. It's gonna light up in Christmas colors. Skytree is not just like a giant like building, but they also do lots of other illuminations during summer. But I think the Christmas one definitely is the most special. It's just such a short, limited time. You know, Japan is so big on illuminations.
I've never seen like so much
I
illuminations
know, yeah,
everywhere.
yes. Have you seen, oh my gosh, there's like it's like if you do anything in Japan, you have to illuminate it during December. Yes. You know what else is different on Japanese Christmas? I talked about Russian Christmas.
Yeah.
In Japan, you eat like Kentucky Fried Chicken instead of a turkey.
I remember last year,
Yeah.
I used to go a lot to KFC.
Yeah.
And I went on Christmas Day, like a couple of days before, and they're like, sorry, we are out of chicken, and I'm like, what?
I know, and any person I talk about this is like, wait, I didn't like Japanese person. You're like, wow, I didn't know that. You don't eat Kentucky Fried Chicken outside of Japan.
Yeah.
It's funny. Yeah. In Switzerland, you do stuffed turkey.
Stuffed turkey.
Yes. So it's similar to America, Canada. of turkey. It's really hard to prepare at home. You can spend an entire day working on turkey. Yeah, but it's good. I need to bring turkey culture to Japan. Yes, right. My own turkey business. Look, look, look! It's a Pokemon Christmas tree.
I love Pikachu.
You like Pikachu?
Yeah.
Me too. Ow!
So cute.
It's like Pikachu is decorating the Christmas tree. Or then there's the big Christmas tree. We got both of them in one shot. Yay! Christmas market over there. Let's go have a look. Christmas market. I don't know, but the German type of Christmas market. Weihnachtsmarkt. Weihnachtsmarkt in German.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they even call it. Yeah, but it's called Kurima in Japanese. Yeah, Christmas market was beer because that's German, I guess.
And there's Drank Santa. Yeah, probably Russian Santa drinks a lot.
Yeah.
He's Russian.
Oh my god, she just told me that people in Russia start to drink when they're 13 and
At a really young age.
was shook. Illumination and Kentucky Fried Chicken and Christmas cake. The white one with strawberries.
Yes.
Have you ever made a Christmas cake before?
No. I had an oven at my house, but I don't have.
Oh, what I did was instead of just baking the cake, I got chiffon cake and then decorated it.
Oh, that's also nice.
Yeah, so you get chiffon, yeah, and then cut it up and put in marmalade and whipped cream and strawberries. That is fun to do. From Cinderella.
The chariot.
The carrier. We're both not English speakers, forgive us.
Looks like you're in the magical forest.
Yeah, it is super beautiful. You have to turn like this. Well, we had a lot of fun because this is like usually like it would be like expensive to go to the top highest floor, but thanks to the Kobo ticket, we had a lot of fun. Recommend it to everyone. Like I said, we just want to relax a bit because actually today at the beginning I was feeling just really overworked, but then kind of like just looking at Tokyo and seeing how tiny everything is. It was very relaxing. Yeah. Bye bye boo. Say it.
Bye bye bye.